Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the world of ultra-luxurious recreational vehicles, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome is a conceptual colossus that holds the fictitious distinction of the most luxurious mobile home on Earth. This classification, which is based on the powerful and highly configurable Mercedes-Benz Actros heavy-duty truck platform, suggests an unwavering pursuit of luxury, technological sophistication, and unmatched comfort. The 2026 Actros STX Motorhome would have a commanding yet tastefully designed appearance from the outside. Its design would be carefully honed to minimize any utilitarian aspect while utilizing the Actros' strong and commanding attitude. Expect streamlined, aerodynamic bodywork that may include subtle curves and large, flush-mounted windows that maximize panoramic views and natural light throughout the living area. With custom chrome or polished metallic accents and perhaps multi-stage paint processes in premium colors, the outside finish would be nothing short of automotive perfection. Modern LED lighting systems that blend in perfectly with the body lines would offer a refined visual signature in addition to useful illumination. The vehicle would go from travel mode to a spacious mobile home with deployable additions like slide-out walls for increased living space and perhaps even a retractable balcony or rooftop deck. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome would instantly transport you to a world of custom, ultra-luxurious living. The interior design would represent the highest level of interior architecture and craftsmanship and be completely customized to the owner's exact needs. Hand-stitched, sustainably sourced leathers, veneers of exotic and rare wood, polished precious metals, and specially made glass or crystal elements would all be of an almost unthinkable caliber. Hand-laid parquet, imported marble, or luxurious, deep-pile, custom-dyed wool carpets are some examples of flooring options. It would be laid out like a large, upscale apartment. Custom-designed, ergonomic furniture, a large-format retractable display, and an audiophile caliber sound system would all be features of a grand salon that could accommodate formal events. The most exacting culinary requirements would be satisfied by a professional-grade kitchen furnished with full-size, integrated appliances from premium manufacturers. With a king-sized bed, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom featuring a large rain shower, 2 vanities, and possibly even a sauna or steam room, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. The integration of technology would be smooth and comprehensive. Lighting, climatic zones, entertainment, security, and communication would all be managed by a sophisticated, user-friendly smart home automation system that could be operated by voice commands, touchscreens, or even gestures. Constant, safe connectivity would be guaranteed via high-speed satellite internet, a powerful cellular booster, and an extensive cybersecurity suite. Unmatched off-grid self-sufficiency would be possible with redundant power solutions, such as large lithium-ion battery banks charged by massive solar arrays and silent, high-capacity generators. Modern recycling and water purification systems would increase independence even more. The Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, which is renowned for its renowned durability and cutting-edge air suspension, would offer occupants a remarkably steady and smooth ride that would isolate them from flaws in the road. Long-distance driving would be simple with strong engines, complex automated transmissions, and a variety of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies. More than just a car, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome would be a finely constructed mobile palace made for a world-class elite who want the utmost in comfort, elegance, and technology, no matter where their travels take them.